Hello and welcome to the second game of the evening. Chittagong Kings take on the Sylhet Royals, and this is BPL 2013 match number 32, live from the Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium at Mirpur, Dhaka. Short while ago, the toss happened and Russell Arnold was there with the two captains, and Sylhet having won the toss, Chirabadi Shubho was captaining, and they decided as normal to field first. Chittagong Kings there with one change. Jacob Oram has gone back, and in his place is Sean Tate. He comes in. Chandrapal, Mushfiqur Rahim and Dirk Nannis are out for Sylhet Royals. They're resting. Just a few niggles about, and Suleiman Ben, Mohammad Jashimuddin and Masakadza, Hamilton Masakadza there at the top come in. So that opening partnership of Masakadza and Sterling is back. And Chittagong Kings are on a roll as well. So they've got a few wins under their belt, and 3 in a row in fact. 3 times. He'll run a leg by. Debut. This been powered through the covers. Again too short. Got away with it once, not this time.
Do that. Najmul Hussain pitching it short, offering the width, and all Naeem Islam had to do is stand his ground and whack it away. It's in that gap, no chance for any of those 3 feet.
Oh, that's worked. Even though there was a slip in position, and Mominul.
He loves playing that shot. He will reverse more often than not. Just on top of this turn there, and he plays that so confidently.
Sterling had already started to move when he saw Taylor shaping for the reverse. That's gone through. That will help the cause with Chittagong. Just pulled back in.
The third umpire might want to have a look at that again. That's well done. It's flicked it back. Good work there. They've a run for the team.
Give. That's a good shot. Perfectly executed. Wrists over it.
The pressure released, and then he can have that confidence to display that. Look at that controlled shot, sweeping it just backward of square. The fact it was really moving away, ever so slightly. He just moved away, made room for himself. Not from the meat of the bat, sliced it, but when you slash hard as this.
That's been swatted. That's 6, I think, and a flat one.
It upset the rhythm the previous 4, and this one just tried a short delivery, and it was hit away. I think it's just gone over, has it? Yeah, I think it might just be signaled 6.
Yes, there is a bit of a turn. He played it nicely with the turn.
It's come into the team. Gets it over. 4 more. The scoreboard now ticking away at a rate.
5 runs in the last 2 overs, and this one also yielding 12 runs. Still one more ball to be bowled. That's a good shot. Went inside out. Thick as outside edge. Over the top of the infield at short third. 4. You can't do anything about that. That's a good shot. Fielder inside the circle. Is all he has to do is watch it. That's gone all the way.
Be the man to take those chances.
Because it's easy, you know, or for Naeem Islam to from Naeem Islam.
How good is this? The sweeper, the square of the wicket. He needed to beat him. Who gives himself room and picks his spot. Wonderful batting from Naeem Islam.
The good thing is that he's not trying to hit it in the air. That's again a very good shot. Super sweep from
He'll be feeling better now. Gave himself room, went offside. bowler trying harder to stay tight. And this time he gets inside and sweeps.
Scoring.
Well, that's head over the top. Lashed onto that. Really wonderfully well. It was in his zone and he doesn't hang about with those shots. Taylor.
Brennan Taylor so far brandishing his bat as if it's a fencer's sword. That was almost a walking shot. Pitched up. Played in the air safely over the head of that fielder.
Reverse employed very well right through this innings and earlier.
Fish. Great weather indeed.
Full toss, whacks it away and whacks it all the way for a huge six. Thank you very much. I'll take that.
Pitched a brilliant in-swinging Yorker, then he tries it again and loses the concentration. The same happens to Chigumbura. A bad ball indeed. He could dispatch it anywhere on the onside. Decided to go for that one. A flat baseball.
Support your bowlers, because the bowlers are being tonked about. Chance of a catch here, and he's got it. Hamilton Masakadza takes the crucial wicket.
Naeem deciding that enough is enough. Now this is the time to go for it. In the previous shot as well, he was not in total control. Played in the air, almost clearing it, but perfect judgment as well. Naeem Islam.
Of this spectacular, well-judged catch by Hamilton Masakadza. He's very close to that rope there. Kept his eyes on the ball and then looked around. He balanced himself perfectly to ensure that he didn't go over that rope. Excellent catch that was by...
I think over than 60s, indeed. A lot of experience. And Borlem, it was coming down. He waited and beaten him all ends up. Straight in, straight out. First ball duck.
David Miller. Nabi just giving it vigorously. It just went on with the arm. It was spinning vigorously and seemed to be playing for the turn, but it slithered through between bat and pad and brings out the smile on Mohammad Nabi's face. And why not? They're back. And David Miller
as well. Now he has decided that he need to decide for the juggernaut, and he has played that brilliantly.
only shake his head. He thought it was a good ball, and so did Taylor. He thought, yeah, I'll take that. Good ball. It's in my zone. It's where I'm going to put it is beyond the boundary.
Rate. He'd come down the track, short ball, didn't quite get it from the middle, sliced it up, and that's the end of Taylor. But not before he's made a valuable 58 of just 44 balls. It's 130 for 3. Oh, that is a cracker of a shot. Take that. God, it's really traveled.
Good use of the feet. Terrific shot. Magnificent. 93 meters. That is a long way. Mind you, 95 not only in the last match, in 51 deliveries.
That's going to run away for 4 as well. Ken Descarte has just taken off where he left off.
If he bats the way he has batted in the previous match and the way he started here, if he continues to bat in the same fashion, 200 will be a possibility. Still 7 wickets in hand. That is a... Yeah, also it's hit very nicely. He's hit that very powerfully. A lot of bottom hand on that occasion. Yes, extra bounce. Took him by surprise. But should have stopped it.
That's a good hit. Straight down the ground. So, Mohammedullah.
Circumstances, that is a very good hit. And especially from Mohammedullah Riyad. Picked it up very, very early and hit it down the ground straight back past the bowler. 80 meters.
Oh! Gosh! Does he have a spring in that bat or what? Another huge hit. That's his favorite area.
Yeah, he's actually moved out and then came back in and picked that very, very nicely indeed. What a shot that is. Tremendous hit. Very long indeed. 94 meters.
Consistency.
He would like to, but he's not getting it right. The idea is good when he bowls that.
Slower one and he latched on. He was expecting it. Well,
It's from the back of the hand and he's expecting that slower delivery. Once again moving it to the leg side and making sure that he takes his left leg away. And bang, out she goes.
that's his area. The slog sweep. This time it's gone up in the air. Another slower delivery. This is going to be a tough one. But he's taken it. Chigumbura. Ultimately, Tendulkar goes, but not after denting the opposition big time.
It was on the card because he was taking his chances, but take a look at this catch. Brilliant. Had to run in. It went up in the air. And a very good one in the end by Elton Chigumbura. Tendulkar gone for 37.
Last ball of the innings. Oh, that's a big hit. That's 6. There's no stopping that. What a way to end it. He too was waiting for the slower delivery. So they got the 15 in the over.
They'll go over 200, but then a little bit of hiccup in the middle. Taylor and Naeem Islam started well, 58 each of 44 and 43 deliveries. Miller gone in the first delivery, but Tendulkar gave the momentum back into the team. 37 quick fire one of just 18 and then 24 of 13 from Mahmudullah. In the end, 193 for 4.
Superb batting. 118 Taylor and Naeem put on, and then 56 Tendulkar and Mahmudullah. That was quick fire and only 27 balls. Superb going there. 193 is going to require some chasing down. It's the highest for them.